Alright guys, so in today's video we're doing our 4 photographer shoot one model challenge. So let's go ahead and introduce ourselves.
Hi, my name is Chris. I'm going to be shooting with the Nikon D850 and my 24-70 lens.
My name is Gio. I'm shooting with a Canon 5D Mark IV and 85mm 1.2, and I might use my Sigma R35.
My name is Ben. I am using my D750. I have a 35mm, 50mm, and 85mm. I'm not sure how I'm going to be able to switch between all of them in 5 minutes, but we'll see how it goes.
My name is Matt. I'm going to be shooting with a Canon Z3i and an 18-55mm kit lens, and I might switch to my 50mm lens.
And our awesome model for today is Miss Audrey Houston.
Ooh, yes!
So let's kill it! Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! This dude used all of Orlando to take one shot. Ready? 1, 2, 3, squat pose.
Wait. You can't even. Hey Chris, you better work, son! Ow! Oh yes! You better work. You better give it up, baby. Those legs, boy! Shut up!
Matt, why are you so ugly?
Hola! I think that's what!
Yeah.
Yes!
Yes!
Yes, girl, work it! He'd be like, yes! Become the wall. You better work it!
Alright, close. There you go.
What the f*** did he just You see how? Yo, Chris has been the one giving us the dislikes on our videos.
Have you? Have you?
He's the one going on YouTube and giving us dislikes.
Damn!
Hey, after the Amy, after your shoot at Old Town, we've been getting 2 dislikes on every video.
Really?
Ready? Here we go. My bad. Alright guys, so this concludes our 4 photographer shoe and model challenge. The biggest obstacle today was the rain. Sorry that we couldn't choose a location in different outfits. But so Audrey, which one was your favorite location and your favorite outfit and why?
I actually kind of liked the plain wall, just because I thought that it was difficult and challenging. And
Which one? Yours. Mine?
yeah.
Oh, thank you.
And I liked the little piece of straw.
So I'm gonna include everyone's Instagram handles below, so everyone give a big follow to Audrey. She literally killed it today. And also please like, comment, subscribe. It really helps us a lot. And if you have suggestions for future videos that you want us to do, also leave that in the comment section below. So shout out to the guy behind the camera, Javi, yes! Everyone give him a big follow as well, he deserves it. He like shot in the rain and everything.
Thank you for tuning in. This concludes shooters on the count of 3 team. 1, 2, 3, team!
I'm hungry.
3, 2, 1. Hey guys, so this concludes our 4 photographers shoot. Lena, stop looking at
Why are
me.
you looking at me? What the heck?
Hey guys.
You're distracted! Alright, here we go.
Oh, your face is red.
What's up, Snapchat? We out here.
Alright, here we go. And to our guest photographer, Ben, that came all the way from South Florida, drove 2 hours. That's dedication. Alright, and he deserves a clap, I guess.
Thank you.
We're doing too much. Like,
Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go.
You,
Alright.
you already introduced.
Thank you to,
Wait, what?
You're not used to this.
No, I
Every
don't.
time.
I'm recording other
this is every
stuff.
time.
Giggle
Alright.
gods.
We just say that subscribe and everything like that.
Why don't you say it, Dave? You're so professional at it.
I can say
Okay,
it.
I'll do
Go,
it.
go.
So I'm gonna include everyone's Instagram handles below. Thank you to everyone that participated. Yeah.
That
Is
was
that good?
retarded.
Lena, you come over here then.
No, I look messed
What's
up.
your busted ass?
Exactly, I know.
Okay, y'all all look busted.
Can we just film like office style where we zoom in on my
Alright,
face
alright.
and I'm just like,
Okay.
what?
Alright, I'm gonna get it all at
What?
once.
Alright, we got you.
Everything. From
No,
one.
we're not going from the beginning.
Okay.
Just start over, you're good.
No, please.
Shut up. Just let him,
Okay.
just let him
Stop
do his
being
thing.
emotional.
Let him do his thing, okay?
Emo
Okay,
child.
I'm sorry that we couldn't film the location of the different outfits was because of the That's what you heard.
I got that!
I'm not doing anything. I'm just freaking.
You're like a maniac. Damn, 20 your damn hair. That's it, hey guys. No, I got you. No, I got you.
Alright, one more try.
Alright. No, 20 tries. Alright.
We're just cutting it. I'm literally just gonna cut it from the beginning.
I got it. Ready? Here we go. 3.
No. I'm literally gonna keep the beginning.
Taking damn balls that you don't have. Here we go. 3, 2. You
That's
look
the time when you
Watch
zoom
him
in on his
literally
face and
mess up
office
like 15
style.
times.
No, I won't.
I'm
Alright,
just
here we go.
saying.
Here we go.
just
Here we go. Alright.
Include everyone's Instagram handles below, and please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps us a lot. And if you have any video suggestions for us to do in the future,
Ow! I got bit by a mosquito. Whoa.
Why are you so dramatic?
Recording?
Wait, where you going?
You can record. You can record like.
Wait, where are you going?
Where are you going? Oh my god.
Where are you going?
Alright, let's go, guys. No, you're not. It hasn't started yet.